Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have to solve biryani classes, which is according to recent surveys, biryani is the most ordered food. Chef want to learn how to make world class biryani from a master chef. Chef will be required to attend the master chef classes for X week and the cost of classes per week is Y coins. What is the total amount that chef have to pay? Okay, so in this question there is there is given a story of biryani that that biryani is the most world class. Biryani was the most ordered food. Okay, so the chef wants to learn from the master chef, and he attended the X week to learn the classes for the master chef, to learn the classes for biryani. Okay, and he have to pay wine coins per week. Okay, and now how much amount that you have to pay, you have to return it. Okay, so in a first line there is given a number of a test case, and in a second line there is given a x and y. X is basically the week and y is the coin that he has to pay, and you have to return the total amount of money that he have to pay to the master chef. Okay, so for each test case the output of a new amount of chef have to pay. Okay, so let's suppose there is given a test case t equals to 4 and x comma y is 1, which is 10, and 115 to 10 and 215. Okay, so here is given x and y, and the number of test cases is 4, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so the test cases is 4, and you just have to pay the total amount that he has to pay. Okay, so the amount that he has to pay is x into y. You just have to return, because this will represent the week and this is the number of coin. So x into y, which is 10, again x into y is 15, and x into y is 20, and 15 into y, which is 30. So you just have to return the amount. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling you. First you have to take number of test cases int t, which is c int t. Okay, c int t, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to, while t is greater than t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x comma y, and then you just have to take c in x in y, and then int z equals to x into y, which will store the multiplication, and after this you just have to return the z. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, you just have to do endl. This will print in a second line cout z. Yeah, let's submit this. This has been accepted Thanks for watching.